If you saw an ad before this video, then click that thumbs up or comment down below. I got it! Alright! Lovely year. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I'm gonna share to you guys my YouTube journey, how I started and how I got monetized during quarantine. So yeah. Oh, by the way, this is my background. New background because I am doing vlogmas but not the everyday kind of vlogmas. Let's make it 2 to 3 times a week vlogmas. I don't know. This is something new for me, so I'm gonna try to upload as much as possible. So let's start. So I started YouTube last April 10, 2020, so it's been 7 months. Actually, Rachel was the one who encouraged me. I stayed up until 5 a.m. just to edit my first video, which is this one. It is a workout video. Like, my main goal for this YouTube channel is to inspire a lot of people to live an active lifestyle, which is connected to my store, which is missactive.ph. And then my plan is to really create free workout programs for you guys, and I actually did that. You can check the link in the description box for the site. After how many workout videos, I want to change it up a bit, so I made a video about Shopee haul, more on active and fitness essentials. That was my first ever talking vid because the workouts, I don't talk. I just do the workout so that you can follow with me. It's real time follow with me. And then, okay, imagine, I actually planned my whole year full of workouts, like the workout plans and like that. But of course, it changed over time because I realized that I want to do lifestyle as well. I want to show you my day in my life, or I want to share with you my knowledge about putting up a business on Shopee or, online business. Because, it's pandemic, so most business are going online now. Super overwhelmed with the comments, the support of my family and friends. Like, remember when I had my live stream, my friends were there, we were chatting and all that. They really supported me. You guys actually pushed me to upload more, to create content, and so far I've been enjoying it. Like the filming, the editing. Last August 17, 2020, I reached the 500 subscribers and I'm super grateful. Actually, on my Instagram, I made a highlight of all my YouTube journey there, of all the achievements that I had with YouTube. I invested in a mic, and this is actually the mic that I bought. It's actually from Shopee. It's the Boya Lavalier. It's this one, what I'm using right now. And then, I feel like it's really important to have a mic like this when you're starting a YouTube channel because you invest in an audio. Okay, with my lighting, I film around 2 to 4 p.m. because I like natural light more compared to the ring light. But I also bought a ring light from Shopee also. And then, of course, you saw my last video. I made an unboxing of my MacBook Pro 2020 laptop. This is my outline for today, by the way. See? Okay. 10 weeks ago, I was so close to 1K subscribers. Like, I posted that on my Instagram and I was like, oh my gosh, how many subscribers left and all that. And then last September 25, 2020, I finally reached the 1,000 subscribers and I'm so grateful for you guys. For me, the watch hours was the public watch hours is the hardest to reach. It took me 7 months to reach that, so it was harder for me, of course. If you guys don't know yet, in order for you to be monetized, you need to reach the requirements first of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. And then after that, that's the only time that you can apply to be monetized, and a lot of waiting game. Few days before I reached the 4,000 public watch hours, I documented since November 11. So like November 11, 12, and so on. So I'm gonna show you guys the clips and the progress of my public watch hours. Okay, so I just checked how many watch hours do I have now, and I have 3,427. So I have 573 public watch hours left. So close. Okay. And thank you for the 1,890 subscribers. We're so close to 2K also. And I'm gonna share my most watched video. This one, how to get free shipping on Shopee. I currently have 80,271 views. You guys are so great. We're so close to 100K with that. You guys think I can reach 100K with this one? In the future, I'm gonna get ads na in here, and then the middle, and then at the end. Gosh, let's visualize that, you know. Currently editing right now, and I just checked my monetization tab, and I have 1,920 subscribers, and look, more than half. Oh my gosh, last ban na, less than 400. I have 3,685 public watch hours. I can't believe it was just yesterday since I last checked and it was 3,400. Now, it's November 12, 2020, and that's my watch hours. Oh my gosh. Hello, I have 1,950 subscribers and 3,761 public watch hours as of November 13. Okay, so it's November 14 and I just checked again my YouTube monetization. I've been checking since November 11. Now, November 14 and it's 3,813. Grabe! So like I have less than 200 left. Grabe, my hands are so cold. Anyways, it's already 10:38 p.m. I should probably sleep now. Okay, bye! See you tomorrow. I will update you. So I forgot to check in yesterday. It's already November 16. Yay! 1,980 subscribers and 3,890 public watchers. So close. It is November 18 and my subscribers is 2,030 and look at my public watch hours. 3,975. Hi, Rich! Uy, bad yan! Bawal yan sa ano. Oh my gosh! Okay, it's November 19 and I checked the YouTube studio and guess who got 4,016 public watch hours? I got it! Wait, I'll show you guys. That! Oh my gosh! Okay, let's click apply. Apply now. Ooh! Hi! Okay, so I will review partner programs there. Okay, next is I'm gonna sign up for Google AdSense. Okay. Okay, I'm rechecking like a lot of times my address because it's important, you know. Now, I signed up for AdSense. It will take several days and then after setting up for my Google AdSense account, I'm gonna get reviews. So, I have to wait for 3 days. It's okay. Patience is a virtue, but I am so thankful for you guys. I finally reached the requirement. Okay, so it's November 20 and I just checked my YouTube studio again and I have successfully linked my AdSense account. That was pretty fast because they said that it will take a few weeks or months for me to get approved. But then, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna follow Annie's secret, which is the feedback, the send feedback secret. Okay, I'm gonna click send feedback. Okay, include screenshot. I already copied what Annie said to put. Then I'm gonna paste that. So it says, hello YouTube team, as you can see, I have surpassed the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours requirements and am now in review to be monetized. Please let me know if there is anything else I need to do. Thank you. Okay, let me just enter and then put an exclamation point and thank you because I'm happy. And then let's just hit sending feedback. Okay, now I'm gonna wait again for this step 3 to be done, and then after that I can add ads on my YouTube already. So I'll get back to you guys once I get approved. My gosh! Okay, a while ago I got reviewed, right? Around, I think that was around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. And then look what came in the mail! Okay, let's refresh. Refresh it in 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, so once approved, don't forget to turn on all the monetization on your previous videos because those will get monetized too. And you can even place ads and all that. Again, I just want to thank everyone who supported me throughout my YouTube journey and I'll try my best to stay consistent. I upload every Friday around 5 p.m. But of course, this Vlogmas, I'm uploading every Wednesday and every Saturday. Okay, so I have a lot of videos planned for you guys. So yeah, maybe I will be posting 3 times a week. Okay, so maybe I will be posting 3 times a week. It's a vlogmas. Let's see, because you know, I have school also. But the 2 videos per week is set already. That's a Wednesday and a Saturday, 5 p.m. Okay? So that is it for today's video, everyone. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!